There is more possibility, it's getting more possible every day that Ustc Terra Classic stablecoin is going to reach $1. There is more possibility. Now remember, USDC after the crash was trading with a lot of zero. Right now this coin is trading at 1 and 2 cents, at least 2 cents as of last 3 weeks, and it's still trading, going up, increasing gradually every day. Now Ustc Terra Classic stable coin is getting more possible because now, based on the current supply they have and the current project and the burning plans they have for USDC, it is even going to rise more faster than LUNC, Terra Classic coins. And recently, so many people have actually shown interest, especially Binance have actually shown interest on Ustc Terra Classic stable coin. Some people believe that stablecoin is going to hit $1. Terra Classic stablecoin is going to reach $1 more faster than Terra Classic coin itself is going to reach 1 cent. Okay, there's possibility for this one to happen more faster. It's more possible than even Terra Classic reaching 1 cent, because so many people have actually put their attention on Terra Classic USDC. Coming back to a stable coin, in terms of rising more faster, they have been rising more faster than Terra Classic, and the market cap very soon will still be hitting about 300 to 400 million, bringing them at the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Being a stable coin, being ranked among the top 100 coins, a lot of people you see might use it as a coin they are people are already using it as a coin they are saving. No, a stable coin, whether you have $10,000, most time your $10,000 remains at $10,000, right? Now, based on the current situation of USDC, a lot of people have already started buying this coin, believing, okay, let's just keep this $1,000 there, let's keep $500 there, believing that they can still withdraw the $500 like it's a stable coin. But as the coin is now increasing gradually, they even be making more money. Imagine USDC as of a few months ago, right now, some people have already make about 200% to 300% of whatever they invested on USDC. As soon as they put this money in other stable coins, their money still remain the same. But they believe USDC will definitely double that money or add more profit on that money, because, and especially now that they are planning to push this coin to hit back at the top 100. Imagine the stable coin trading at 5 cents or 10 cents. It's also already ranked at the top 100. Believe me, people are going to keep on supporting, pushing, believing this coin is reaching $1, and by the time it gets to $1, definitely many people become millionaires and billionaires. This is why I always advise, still buy, invest few amount of money you can invest on USDC, be it $10, $20, $100, whatever you know you can afford, because anything can happen. Just buy few coins of USDC, be it 500 coins, 100 coins, 1,000 coins. But remember, whenever it gets to $1, if you have 100 coins, you have $100. Right now, you can buy 100 coins at the rate of what? At the rate of $1 or $2. So that's going to be a lot of money. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment on notification in order not to miss our next weekly videos.